Alright guys, welcome to the course on how to prevent competitive flagging. This is going to be a quick trick that you guys can use to make your ads flag proof. I personally use this trick, and I know a lot of other people out there that claim this trick definitely works. So I'm going to show you how it works. So first we need to post an ad. So we're going to go here to post to classifieds. We're going to do a moving ad. So let's go to labor and moving. We're doing this from LA, so. Okay, then we need to type in an email address here. So I just made up an email. Okay, so we have our ad here. Now we're just going to publish it. So this is going to ask for an email confirmation because we didn't log into an account. We didn't create an account. You can see here that you can create an account and log in. Instead, we just went to that post section like I showed you in the top left corner. So what's happening here is they're going to send us an email. And then we'll click here. Okay, great. So whether you post this way or you log into your account and then post, after you're done posting, you get to this screen. It says, "Thanks for posting with us. We really appreciate it. View your post at this link." So now this is where the trick comes in. Basically, Craigslist monitors how many times people click on your ad. It monitors the number of server requests. So if I click here, this ad just got one ping. And there's a certain ratio between how many people click on your ad and how many people flag your ad. So if you click on your ad a bunch of times, say 30 times, and somebody flags your ad, it's not going to do anything. They need to flag your ad a bunch of times, or a lot of different people are going to need to flag your ad to make up for all the times that you clicked on it. So that's what we're going to do now is we're just going to click, basically open up our ad in a bunch of tabs. I know this is kind of silly, but this definitely works. So what you want to do is just like this, that, and then see, it doesn't even take that long. Maybe open about 30. And there you go. And now your ad is flag proof. But there's a little secret. If you're on a Windows computer, I'll show you the little trick to make it go fast. And that's it. That's the technique. So you guys can do that every time you post an ad and just monitor it. See if you're getting flagged. If you are still getting competitively flagged, try going from 30 times and try going to 50 and see if that makes a difference. But I really think if you start doing this, you're not going to really see any issues with competitive flagging. Okay, anyway, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.